Hi guys, I'm Ree and today we're gonna talk about another Adulting 101 topic. So how to get your RFID in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Book your appointment online. So ako kasi, I'm from Quezon City, so I'm lucky kasi yung Vertis North na mall recently nagkaroon ng installation site for Autosweep RFID. So it will run from January 22 to January 31, weekends included. So, yun yung ginawa ko last night. I clicked on the link which I will also include in the description box below. Yes. And then, nag-set ako for January 24, 11 a.m. na appointment. So, doon sa post na nakita ko, meron din silang nilagay na link for the form. So, I also printed that out. Step 2, go to the installation site and park your car in the designated area. So, for Vertis North installation site, hindi lang basta-basta doon ka lang aalis ka na. Bale, it's basement 2 near the red pillars. Medyo naligaw-ligaw ako. But, pag tinanong mo naman sa bawat guard na makita mo kung saan yung RFID, basement parking 2, ituturo naman nila kung saan. Pupunta ka sa Astra Drive and may makikita ka sa bungad na P as in parking, then bababa ka. And sa unang floor na bababaan mo, hindi pa dun yun kasi basement 1 pa lang yun. Hanapin mo or tanongin mo kay Kuya Guard kung saan yung basement 2. So basically, you will park your car, then iwan mo siya doon, and then pupunta ka sa 4th floor sa Japantown para ma-submit mo yung documents mo. So basically, ito yung dikit-dikit na mga Japanese restaurants sa Vertis North. Pagpasok mo doon, sa may gitna banda, kung may makikita kang long table and then black na chairs, yun na yun. And nakalagay din naman doon yung RFID installation. Although maliit lang yung text, pero mapapansin nyo. Pero actually, doon sa bungad ng area, meron kang makikitang ganito para malaman mo na yun nga yung RFID site kung saan ka magsasubmit ng documents. Step 3. Submit your application form. For me, nagprint ako ng application form para less contact na with the people. So, yun, sinubmit ko lang and then I also paid the 200 peso initial loan. And then after nun, you will just wait for the Autosweep representative and accompany him to your car. So kami, since 11 a.m. yung appointment, medyo na-late lang kami konti. Nung nakaakyat na kami, nasubmit na namin yung documents namin. It's almost lunch time. So, nagkaroon ng lunch break yung mga staff. So, pinabalik na lang kami ng 1 o'clock. And okay lang kasi gutom na rin naman na kami by then. So, yun. Bumalik kami ng 1 o'clock and then, andun na agad yung mga representative ng Autosweep. And then, sinamahan namin sa basement 2, sa car namin. It only took 1 minute para idikit yung RFID sticker. Pumasok lang si Kuya sa car and then dinikit niya from inside. And that's about it. This week, target ko naman, easy trip naman yung kukunin ko. And I'm sure, similar lang yung steps kasi may online appointment lang din yung easy trip. So, yun lang guys. Thank you sa panonood ng video na to and sana nakatulong ako sa inyo. Hanggang sa muli, comment down below lang kung meron pa kayong questions or kung meron kayong request na video na gusto niyong gawin ko next. Thank you!